I'm gonna shoot it 5 rounds, going kind of quickly, and just see how it groups on target. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not in my usual filming location, but I wanted to speak briefly about the Beretta. This is followed by some video shooting the Beretta after the rebuild. So what I did to this 92, as previously described in the other video, was I put a complete action kit in it with the hammer, the sear, strut, hammer spring, you know, all that shit, right? New trigger, the whole thing. And I did an action job to those parts. Single action is around 2 3/4 to 3 pounds. Double action is right around 6.5, right? So it's really smooth. It's much lighter than, you know, stock for sure. The single action's nice and crisp. You've got your take up, you hit the wall, and then it breaks really clean. I have traditionally set up all of my Berettas, as long as I can recall, with a D-spring, and this is before the aftermarket was available, so you had to source these things either through Beretta directly or through Numeric. I would do a D-spring, an Elite 2 hammer, a complete action job on the firearm. Typically, I would use the Hogue wraparound. I like that grip. I don't have that on this one currently, and a G conversion if I could source them prior to the aftermarket. Now you can find all these things readily available. There's still a little bit of hate for Beretta out there, and I don't understand it. The locking block issue, I keep hearing about this from guys. I get messages and PMs and whatnot. That issue was resolved like 30+ years ago. I had heard a story. A guy was telling me that he knew a guy who maybe knew a guy whose locking block failed and the slide came off the back of the gun, punched his teeth out. That's absolute horse shit, because you would have had to have had about 4 catastrophic failures of the slide in different locations for that to even be possible, and it would not have the velocity to come back and punch your teeth out. So that was a dumbass story that I heard, and I'm sure many of you have heard those as well. If you've heard those bullshit stories about the slides punching people's teeth out, you know, leave a comment. But anyway, with the locking block issue, when that block would fail, there would be a situation that could present where the slide would come off the front of the gun in reciprocation. That was a thing, but that was rectified like 30+ years ago, 35 years ago, something like that. In my experience, the Beretta is a very solid platform. I've always shot them very well. They fit my hand great. After I do my work, those things are just absolutely freaking machines. So enjoy the video. Now we're going to shoot the Beretta, first time since rebuilding it. Conversions, so decocks. We'll shoot them all double action this time. All single action. I just really enjoy Berettas. Let's do this. Let's bring it in and just check it out.
Oh, sweet.
All right. There it is. Okay. Flinch, but not too.
I just need to
Slow down. Calm down.
I'll just go.
All right, so I'm gonna go for the center again. Just keep punching out one. Pull. Here we go. So the reloads weren't the smoothest because I'm putting the mags on, but that's the
a
group.
solid grouping, dude.
And going at that speed, that's not too bad, right?